Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the door puddle light in my Mark 6 Jetta. I modified the puddle light in my Mark 6 Jetta to actually function and light up, kind of like an upper trim model car, possibly like a GLI. So I'll go ahead now and show you the light that now has been partially burned out, and I'll show you what I'm going to be replacing it with. You'll absolutely love it. Here's the actual door puddle light that I've installed. It's an LED one. You can see how it's partially not working anymore. It's burnt out. So I'm going to go ahead now and replace it with a new unit. And you guys are going to actually like this new unit very much. And these guys are the actual new units I'm putting in my two front doors. Replace the partially burnt out ones. As you can see here, it's got something to projector that projects down, a logo, and I think it's the actual VW logo, not the current updated one. I guess it's the older one. And I've purchased these off of dhgate.com, but they can be found pretty much anywhere, like dhgate.com, aliexpress.com. You can source them from anywhere basically. So without further ado, I'll go ahead now and install them in the car. And here it is guys, I took it out. You see here 3 lights are working on top, and just 2 are working on the bottom, and there's 3 on this side, and the left hand side that are kind of working but not so much. So I'll go ahead now and unplug this, and I'll plug in the other one.
2 seconds later.
And now I've just plugged in the new one. You can see here there's 2 bulbs here at the bottom, and the projector. I don't think there's any bulbs up here. It's just the 2 bulbs down here, and the projector. So the projector now projects, and you can see there the actual VW logo. Absolutely wonderful guys. I'll go ahead now and install it back at the hole where it belongs. That's how it looks installed. Wonderful. But right now you cannot see the actual Volkswagen logo because I guess it needs to be night out to be able to see it. And you see the 2 lights here. Okay, these are flashing down, and here's the actual Volkswagen logo. Absolutely wonderful guys, absolutely wonderful. I absolutely love this. And here's the actual passenger side door puddle light. I'll go ahead now and install the other light. And now I've got the new one plugged in, hooked up. It works great. I'll pop it in here, into space. Wonderful. And you see it's working as well. And here's the actual puddle light. Same thing, Volkswagen emblem. Absolutely wonderful guys.
2 minutes later.
I'm going to go ahead now, open the door, and show you guys the actual Volkswagen emblem lit up on the ground. Here it is. Wow. That's so amazing. I absolutely love it, guys. Here it is again. And it goes away when you close the door. There you go. Open the door. Comes back. Wonderful. And I'll show you the other side. And here's now the passenger side. Let's open the door. Okay. As you can see, there it is right there. The Volkswagen emblem. Absolutely wonderful. I love it so much, guys. There it goes. And there you have it, guys. I installed the Volkswagen projector on the ground door puddle lights on my Mark 6 Jetta. I absolutely love it. So then effectively ends the video. Please guys drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.